One of the most mysterious structures on Earth is known as one of the seven wonders of the world, without which the other six might even be considered myths. It is the Pharaoh's cursed pyramid of Egypt, and what is its secret? As the largest pyramid in the world, the Bur Khufu stands at a height of 146 meters and is composed of 23 million stone blocks weighing tens of tons each. How did the ancient Egyptians, who were in the Bronze Age 460 years ago, accomplish this work? It was discovered that it was the journal of one of the builders of the pyramids. Through the clues described in the journal, the researchers were able to find out how the pyramids were made to measure up to millions of cubic meters, and how, when mixed with the white clay of kaolinite, and then added to the water, a chemical reaction took place. After a few hours, they became the hard blocks of stone like the pyramids. In a short period of time, temperatures can reach 2000 degrees Celsius, which can instantly melt granite that's been exposed to direct sunlight. In addition to this, the Egyptians sometimes discovered a sandy, watery ancient Egyptian pharaoh Tufu, the fourth dynasty of Egyptian kings, who was planning to build a wooden statue of why pharaohs were made into sphinxes, what secrets were hidden inside, etc. The Egyptians took possession of the Sagrada Familia, where there was enough clay and limestone since a large amount of water was needed to make concrete. The time was set at the time of the mudslides and the floods when the Egyptians would have stopped with their clubs to take measurements. But why is it that many people still believe that the pyramids weren't built by humans? The tip of the tower is located at the north latitude. At the north end of the city, in the middle of the city, the tip of the tower is located at latitude 9.979.2.4, which divided by its height is exactly equal to the circumference of 3.1415, more than 2,000 years before Archimedes first mentioned the circumference. Is it really just a coincidence that these numbers are only coincidental? Or is it possible that the original idea was that the Bur Khufu was almost perfectly aligned with the true north of the Earth, with an error of only 0.05, which would be necessary in the modern age to find its position with the utmost precision, thanks to the use of satellites? Perhaps these mysteries will be solved one by one in the near future, but the captain thought that the Egyptians would use all their wisdom to build a tomb, perhaps. But not just a tomb,